Okay, then this section is still displacement, but then it's with oxides of other metals. So you have metals, a more reactive metal will tend to, okay, so the more reactive metal will have a higher chance of becoming an ion. So like this. So sodium will tend to form sodium ion. Copper will also form this, but this is less likely to happen. This is more likely to happen. So sodium is more likely to form sodium ion. Copper is less likely to form copper ion because sodium is more reactive, copper is less reactive. So if you put these two together, sodium will displace copper from the oxide. This is what they're saying. Okay, so you have an example here. What you have is magnesium metal and copper 2 oxide. So magnesium, because it's more reactive, will displace copper and then magnesium goes into the oxide. So then you get a very vigorous reaction here because magnesium is a very reactive metal. Yeah, relatively reactive. It's quite reactive. So then I say write the balance equation. So what happened is magnesium plus copper 2 oxide gives you magnesium oxide plus copper. Just like that. Balance or not?
Yeah.
So then they ask for observation. So you see the observation is that this is black in color and then this is silver, then this is white, magnesium oxide is white, and then this is brown, red brown. So the color change will be, you see that the silver metal disappears and the black color metal disappears and you get white, a mixture of white colored powder and red brown metal form. So if they want you to write observation, this something like this. Then if they want you to explain the observation, this is how you explain it. So magnesium is more reactive than copper. There is a higher tendency than copper to form the positive ion. So then magnesium forms magnesium oxide. Then copper oxide loses its oxygen. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. 6. Which oxide will not be reduced by heating it with calcium? So that means what it means is calcium plus copper oxide, calcium plus copper oxide, whether there's a reaction or not. So if there's a reaction, then you say that there is a reduction by heating. If there's no reaction, that means it will not be reduced. So now down here, there's 4 options. Pick the odd one out. B. Okay, yes, it's correct. But sodium is more reactive than calcium, so nothing will happen.